Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. So you just saw me unwrap the chickens and clean up some of the composted material that got pushed out of their run. That stuff is ready to go. It's broken down. That's what I am looking for when I'm cleaning out their run. I want to dig down to that stuff. That stuff is ready to go into my garden beds, and that's exactly where it's going to go. But what's exciting is that I can see how deep of the leaf litter that they have in there. I mean, they've got at least a foot above the actual like ground in there. So there is a lot that I can dig out. So I'm going to start in the front garden, spreading out the chicken compost. That way we can get that area mulched, and then you know, as we, because this is not a one-day thing, this is over several days, especially if I'm doing it myself, which I will be doing most of it myself. So this is going to be spread out, but today we are just uncovering the chickens. I'm going to clean out their summer waterer and put that in and kind of, you know, straighten things out in there a bit. They've got a lot of bedding pushed up to the front door that I need to take out and push back. So we're going to take care of that today too. So it's the next day and I still have quite a bit of work to do. We didn't spread any mulch, but we did pull out the compost from the chicken run. Hi babies! It's so nice to be able to see them. Look at Agatha, she is so cold. Agatha, look at her. She looks like a beach ball. She's chilly. You cold? So we got the layer down. Now the door isn't blocked by all of that. There's still more that we could take out of here, and we will do that. But what we did take out of here really only spread to the first two beds out front. Hi Turbo! And we didn't really get to spread it anywhere in the back. I'll show you the two beds that we got it in, but that was it. And it, like, I felt like there was supposed to be a lot more, but there's more that I can collect, but I don't know if this will spread to the entire garden, which is what I was hoping. Hi babies, what you doing? Turbo. I gotta look for him a new home still. But I did start working on this area. I want to add some more pavers here and clean this up with the leaves. Might put something back here. I don't know, maybe like some small short evergreens or something, or just leave it open so we can have just this full access right here. We'll see. All right, let's go check out the front real quick. So we've got four piles? 5 piles there that need to be spread. And then this bed over here got spread, and we probably put about 10 piles on that. But we didn't get to do any of the beds that touch the house, which I was hoping to. I don't think there will be enough for that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!